Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Ford Explorer and I will show you which fuse and which relay to check if you are having problems with the fuel pump. This video will apply to Ford Explorers made from 2011 all the way up to 2015. Both the fuse and the relay will be located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood on the driver's side right here. To lift the cover, you have two black tabs. You want to press them at the same time and lift up. And on the back side of the fuse box cover, you also have a small fuse diagram. Fuel pump fuse, it's a fuse number 65, which is a 30 amp green fuse located right here. Fuel pump relay, it's in the top right corner. Now the best way to test this relay, just try to replace it with one of the same kind and see if it makes a difference. If it does, just get a new relay. It shouldn't be too expensive and replace it. If both the fuse and the relay are good, then you will have to look at the fuel pump itself or a possible wiring issue. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.